Hey guys, where's Lopes at?
Why do you want to know?
Have to take a test.
Don't worry, it's all sorted out.
Alright, so where is he? Are you guys being serious right now?
We couldn't let him run wild. He's a menace to society.
Why?
He's a demon. Fact.
Are you guys being serious right now?
102%.
Woo! Alright, why two?
Why not? You're two.
Okay. You're not Lopes? How?
He's a super demon shapeshifter. Fact.
How did you notice though, except for the whole fact that he shapeshift in the closet?
I mean, didn't you notice?
No, that's why I didn't just ask you.
We don't approve of your tone.
Yeah. Well, I mean, he never types.
Typing? You're going with that?
Typing.
Just typing. He's a demon because he doesn't type.
Yep, straight pen and paper. That's all. Pen, paper.
Fact.
But why do you think typing makes him a demon?
Well, when was the last time humans thought demons were real?
Anytime for the 18th century, I guess.
It's funny you should say that.
Why?
Because the first innovation to the typewriter was in 1714. Fact. It's fact.
Yeah, I guess he doesn't type.
Straight pen and paper.
Show.
So he's a demon.
Total demon.
Must be.
Couldn't believe it either.
So, what are we gonna do?
Kill him.
Slay the demon.
Sounds good.
Just kidding.
There's no... And like, he's not even here. I mean, what is... Whoa!
Good
No,
thing we're
no!
both...